If your trades keep slipping away in quiet markets, it's not bad luck, it's invisible order flow. And if you're not seeing it, you're trading blind. I tested Bookmap, a platform that claims to show you what's really going on behind the candles, like who's buying, who's selling, and where the market's about to turn. And by the end of this video, I'll show you the one visual cue inside Bookmap that completely changed how I time entries. Now, before I even opened Bookmap for the first time, I did what most traders probably should. I checked out the reviews, and right away, one caught my eye. A newer trader mentioned how Bookmap looked powerful, but felt pricey, especially when it came to the add-ons. She said it's hard to commit to these extra features when you haven't really had the chance to test them out first. I get that. Nobody wants to gamble on tools they barely understand. But here's the thing, those complaints, they seem rare. Most users here aren't frustrated. They're blown away. Based on everything I've seen, Bookmap isn't just trying to be a plug and play platform for casual traders. It's clearly built for traders who are looking for serious, detailed insight. And when you look at the thousands of users, the actual number of complaints about pricing is surprisingly low, and a lot of users had the exact opposite experience. One trader said Bookmap completely changed how he reads the tape, letting him track limit orders and really understand how buyers and sellers move. He actually noticed an improvement in his risk reward ratio after using it. Another user pointed out the value of Bookmap's Discord community, specifically the Trader Lab with Tom B. He combined auction market theory with Bookmap's visual tools and said it gave him insights that he hadn't found anywhere else. So, yeah, it's not built for total beginners, but for traders serious about understanding the order book, the value here is pretty clear. Now let's dive into the incredible features that Bookmap offers, starting with one of my favorite parts about using Bookmap, the Heatmap Visualization. You instantly see where buyers and sellers are stacked and how they shift in real time. For me, this was a game changer. I no longer had to guess where the pressure points were in the market. It was right there in front of me. Now, I've tried platforms like Quantover too. While it offers solid data overlays and charting tools, I personally found Bookmap's Heatmap more intuitive when it came to visualizing depth in real time. It made it easier to react quickly. Bookmap also delivers up to the second data updates, which is crucial when you're watching fast-moving markets. I've had moments where every millisecond mattered, especially during economic news releases or sudden price spikes. The platform handled it really well. Let's talk about their one-click trading feature. With Bookmap, you can place or cancel an order with just a single click, right from the chart. Now, that kind of speed matters, especially if you scalp trade like I do. So no order forms, no hesitation, just click and go. Now, this is where Bookmap really stands out, volume dots. These little green and red dots aren't just visuals, they tell you where the actual trades are happening. Green means market buy and red means market sell. The bigger the dot, the larger the trade. It's simple but powerful. I didn't see this exact kind of visual cue on Quantower. Sure, it has volume bars and footprint charts, but nothing that gave me that instant feel of market sentiment like Bookmap's dots. It's like watching the market breathe in real time, and if you're a visual trader like me, that matters a lot. Bookmap's depth of market or DOM view shows you every layer of intent, who's placing orders, where they're stacking, and how aggressive they're getting. It provides a detailed view of the limit order book, revealing the levels of market liquidity. This insight is invaluable for predicting price movements and understanding the strength of buy and sell orders. Bookmap also supports data from multiple sources, whether you're into stocks, future, or crypto. For me, switching between markets without switching platforms was a big plus. Lastly, let's talk about their commitment to education and community support. And here's where Bookmap really surprised me in a good way. When I first started using it, the tutorials, live webinars, and help docs were super helpful. But what made it a real difference was the Discord community. With over 29,000 traders actively sharing strategies and helping each other out, I felt like I wasn't learning alone. Now, while Bookmap is packed with game-changing features, I'd be lying if I said it was all sunshine and rainbows. One thing I noticed early on, especially as someone who wasn't coming from a highly technical background, is that the interface can feel a bit overwhelming at first. There's a lot going on visually, and if you're used to simpler charting tools, it might take a bit of time to adjust. But honestly, once I got the hang of it and started understanding what I was actually looking at, the visual clutter turned into real time insight. It stopped being noise and started being signal. Now, after getting past those minor bumps, the next obvious question is how much does all this actually cost? Well, from my experience using Bookmap, I'd say it's reasonably priced for what you're getting, especially if you're someone who takes trading seriously like I do. Sure, it might feel a little steep if you're just dabbling or only trading once in a while. Uh, if one insight from Bookmap keeps you out of a bad trade or gets you into a better one, that alone could cover the cost. So do well to check for their most up-to-date pricing, fees, or ongoing promos. We'll try to keep it updated so you don't miss any deals. So, is Bookmap worth it? If you're not like a serious trader, if you're just more casual, maybe not. But if you're serious about understanding the market and you want to see what most traders miss, it's one of the most powerful tools I've tested. For me, the game changer was the volume dots, seeing exactly where trades fire off and how that flow shifts. It helped me time entries with way more confidence and precision. It's not just data, it's insight. If you're ready to upgrade how you see the market, check the link in the description for a special discount and get started with Bookmap today.